Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2022 Ram 1500 Laramie Crew Cab in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With Night Edition, Sport Performance Hood, 22-inch aluminum wheels, black tubular side steps by MOPAR, blind spot and cross path detection, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 25,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, power tailgate release, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6853.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.